Good evening, America. I'm Ron, and we interrupt your evening with groundbreaking news that's sure to change our lives forever. Hold on to your seats.
In a bizarre turn of events, seaside locals report a man who's allegedly training seagulls to commit organized snack theft.
At this time, we cannot confirm the existence of a trained seagull crime ring.
We are.
Nor can we deny it.
We are looking into that.
I just want to remind folks not to leave chips unattended and to avoid eye contact.
Thanks, Ron. I'm here at Brighton Pier where the situation has escalated. One woman claims a gull snatched her purse clean off her shoulder.
It looked at me first like it knew I had coupons in there. Then it shrieked and boom, my purse was gone.
I think it winked. I just watched a gull steal a vape and wink at me. We are not safe. Is this capitalism? Get away!
Chief Simmons, do you think the seagulls are working together? They're in a V formation! Oh my God, they are going to attack me!
After weeks of speculation and scattered eyewitness accounts, we finally have him.
It's not theft. It's redistribution.
Yeah. The gulls take only what was offered.
To the sea.
Governments panic when they lose control, but the gulls were never theirs to begin with.
I don't control them, I listen.
The operation, allegedly titled Featherfall, contains detailed analysis of coordinated gull behavior.
Operation Featherfall was initiated in 2019 following increased avian tactical patterns on the southern coast.
It's displayed signs of coordinated snack retrieval and peripheral target testing. These birds are no longer observing. They are selecting.
They took my haddock and my dignity! Oh, Brighton Pier, we held you dear, till the gulls came down like ghosts of fear. They came at noon with eyes like knives. They circled once, then took our lives. Not literally. Oh, the wings came down at 3:30, took my dinner and my sanity. This is what they took from us.
Do you ever wonder if the seagulls are just surveillance drones sent by the prompter to study human regret?
What started as chip thefts ends with NATO, protest songs, and gulls flying in formation.
Day 7 inside the plant. No light, no bread, only photosynthesis.
Jesus, have you ever pulled a prank?
Yeah, once convinced a whole village they could part the sea. Spoiler, they couldn't.